Welcome to the channel, and if you're new here, I wanted to give you an update for 2026 and what's coming up. You may know that we have a 40-acre farm property, which we have made off-grid capable, but we also cover a ton of subjects like lawn care, vegetable gardening, soil health, preparedness, off-grid power, home security, and general how-to around-the-house subjects. This year, we'll be testing new equipment, which will be fun, and also adding some very important information on AI and how it'll impact your life, the average person. The good, the bad, the ugly, and why, if you're not keeping up to speed, you'll be left behind. So, make sure you subscribe, and also, it's important that you turn on that notification bell because YouTube is horrible about notifying when we post new videos. Also, you can sign up for our new video alerts on our website. There's no spam, just notifications whenever we do a post or do a new video. So, come along for the ride because it's going to be a crazy year for sure. Thanks for dropping by. Doc.